Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren if you're new here, and as you know by the title, today I am eating a full day exactly like Whitney Simmons, and I'm so excited. She's really one of my favorite creators on YouTube, especially one of my favorite huge macro creators. I love her. I think she's so real, and something I really enjoy with her What I Eat in a Day videos, especially this recent one that she just posted actually yesterday. I'm a creep because I'm already copying her, but she has a disclaimer at the beginning of her video saying
that I am not here to tell you how you should eat. We could eat the exact same thing, the exact same portions, we could do the exact same workout program, lift the exact amount of weight, and we will never look alike. And I think that that is what is so amazing, is you are you and nobody can take that away from you.
So just remember that I'm doing this solely for fun. All of her meals always look delicious. You'll see a little tweaks here and there that I made, starting with the breakfast, because I'm not huge on hard-boiled eggs, so I did mine over easy. I'm super excited. So let's go ahead and dig in to breakfast. So this turned out beautiful. I added the Italian sofrito blend to the top. I love that on eggs. She uses red pepper in a lot of her recipes too, so I feel like that's very much Whitney. Also, if y'all saw in one of my previous What I Eat in a Days, I did the Trader Joe's hash browns. My cat's joining us. The Trader Joe's hash browns avocado toast style. That is also from Whitney Simmons. She has great ideas, and I feel like we have a lot of the same flavors. So I'm excited to give this one a try. I've never had avocado and cream cheese on a bagel, so this will be interesting. She knows what's up. Look at that. Oh my God. It's so good. It's so good. Babe, you might have to try this.
Yeah, pretty good. It looks pretty good.
So I'm having that with a typical coffee. We're gonna eat this. We're gonna go out on a run later, but I think we're gonna have lunch first. So I'll see you guys at the next meal. Love this. Look at how beautiful. It's so delicious, and it was really easy, like 5 to 10 minutes. So we love it. Okay, just killed my workout. I'm so ready for that protein smoothie that Whitney makes. So let's go make it. And I think we're also gonna have the lunch wrap at the same time. I don't like to eat right before I work out, so I decided not to have lunch first. So we're gonna go have lunch now, and I'm looking forward to it. I'm exhausted. Whitney's onto something, because this smoothie, the orange juice with the vanilla protein, is really doing it for me. I'm obsessed. So while I'm sipping this, I'm gonna make the wrap. All right, y'all, so it's dinner time. I did not eat the tuna and rice bowl snack that Whitney had in her What I Eat in a Day video, which is kind of what I'm mimicking her daily eats off of. Just didn't need it. I was really full after lunch. We got some of our Christmas stuff out. We still do not have our big tree up, but we have our bedroom tree and our front tree, which I actually need to plug in both of those, but we're about to make dinner. We're gonna put up the tree tomorrow. We did some cleaning today too. So anyways, we're about to make this pasta bake, and it's gonna be so good. It has ricotta, zucchini, and we're actually, I think, gonna add Italian sausage to ours. Morgan definitely prefers a dinner dish with meat in it, so I feel him on that. I think we're gonna add Italian sausage, there's zucchini, aroma tomato, some onion, marinara, pasta. It's gonna be delicious. So let me show you how she makes it. And if you want the recipe, it's on her video, which I'll link for you down below. She typed out the whole recipe in her description box. Also, side note that has nothing to do with this video, My boyfriend came home today with the most stunning bouquet of pink roses. I'm obsessed. Okay, so I didn't realize you're supposed to add the tomato with the onion, so we're just gonna cook it down really quick while we're draining the beef and onion, or the sausage and onion. Look at it. All right, so we baked it for 10 minutes and then did the broil for just a few minutes. Once it started getting, see, we got a little dark over here, I just pulled it out. We're gonna let it sit and cool for about 5 minutes, and then we're ready to dig in. All right, y'all, we just finished up dinner and we loved it so much. We both went back for seconds. I'm full. Slightly regretting that decision because now I feel so full, but it was seriously delicious. I'm obsessed.
Yeah, it was pretty filling, and I'm not big on zucchini. Like whenever we just kind of do it how we normally do it. What would you find?
I just like slice it and then cut it in half. I don't know, like I do a little half moons.
It's like a little, I don't know, it's like a weird thing. It's like chewy for me, but shredded, it was perfect.
I actually really liked it shredded too, and it was a lot easier, I feel like, than cutting it. I don't know. It was just so easy and so fast. So I think we'll do that again and probably in some other recipes too. Loved it. We need to cook with ricotta more because we both realized that we really like ricotta.
Yep.
Like, we knew that we liked it, but we talked about how we both like it. And I never add ricotta to anything, and it's so good. So, great dinner, and I'm excited to try the Good Pops, which Whitney has posted in several of her What I Ate in a Day videos, and I have never tried them, but our grocery store sells them, and I was surprised. So we were trying the orange flavor, where it's like orange and cream or something. I don't know. Whichever one she gets, that's the one that I got, and I'm pretty excited to try it in a little bit. But overall, I feel like eating like Whitney is good. I feel like I'm eating like a king, honestly. Amazing, delicious.
Awesome.
Yeah. Got lots of vegetables in. Everything was so filling. Flavors on point. Like, breakfast, lunch, and dinner will be repeats. And so will that smoothie. Morgan tried the smoothie too, and it was...
Yeah, it was good.
The orange juice, right? Like, it was really good.
Yeah.
With the orange juice. I was surprised. With the vanilla protein and then the orange juice and the berries, I was like, this, I don't know, is this going to be different than milk? Will I even tell a difference? And you can tell a difference in a good way.
Yeah, when you were explaining it to me, I was like, I mean, I'll try it, but it doesn't sound great.
Yeah.
But it went together really well.
It went really good. It was delicious. I told Morgan, I was like, dang, I wish I would have gotten a big orange juice because it's so good. I want to have it again tomorrow. And I don't have very much orange juice left. So I'll have to get some at the store. And yeah, we'll update you guys again when we have the popsicles. That'll be the end of eating like Whitney. Sad. We'll have to do another one.
Yeah.
So these are the Good Pops that Whitney eats. They're dairy free. This one is orange and cream. 90 calories. I'm very excited to try these. You could have the whole box for 350 calories. Sounds like a win to me. All right, y'all. These are pretty good. They taste so much like just a real orange. Did you get that? Like it just tastes like an orange straight off the peel type of thing. I feel like it tastes really legit.
Of like creamy, like a root beer float, like the cream stuff, creamsicles, but that tastes more like a sherbet almost.
Yeah, it does. It's like a sherbet. It's really good. So that's what it looks like on the inside. Can you see that? This freaking focus thing is annoying. Anyways, I really like this. We're going to end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to stick around on my channel. I do a lot of what eating a days. What eating a day, working 9 to 5 because I work a regular office job Monday through Friday. Lots of meal prep content, vlog content. We're doing a little bit of Vlogmas vlogs this month. So check it out if you want to. I'd love to have you around. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye. I'm going to do an ASMR really quick with this part of the video.
You want to put this at the end as a blooper?
Yeah, every time I try, you just keep talking.
Say, do you want to add this part in at the end?
Oh my god. Okay, ready, action. Oh my god.
I thought you meant you wanted me to say that. Oh, my bad. Alright, and singing.
I'm gonna crack an egg on your head.
Are you still going?
Yes!
Oh, okay.
I haven't got the clip yet.
Okay, I'm quiet.
Okay, quiet on set.